Welcome back, friends. Hope you all are fine. Today we will discuss the paper of Jamia Millia Islamia MSc Biosciences 2019. Our first question is diastole is dash A. Increase of heart muscles, B. Contraction of heart muscles, C. Relaxation of heart muscles, D. None of these. So friends, as we know, heart is just like a balloon. It constantly require filling and pumping of blood. Filling of blood is known as diastole, during which there is relaxation of heart muscles, whereas systole is pumping of blood that involves contraction of heart muscles. So our correct option is option number C, that is relaxation of heart muscles. Question is, cancer of prostate gland is caused due to exposure of dash A. Hydrocarbons, B. Cadmium oxide, C. Methane gas, D. Strontium compound. So, cadmium and its compounds are very highly toxic and their exposure is known to cause cancer. It is primarily associated with prostate, lung, and kidney cancer, but recently it is also found that it also causes pancreatic cancer. Other than cadmium, exposure to other chemicals like Agent Orange or bisphenol A also increases the risk of prostate cancer. So correct option is option number B, that is cadmium oxide. Question is, Miller and Urey performed an experiment to prove the origin of life. They took gases NH3 and H2 along with dash A, N2 and H2O, B H2O and CH4, C CH4 and N2, D CO2 and NH3. So Stanley Miller and Harald Urey were the two scientists who conducted this experiment in 1952. During their experiment, the gases which they used are NH3, H2, H2O and CH4. This experiment was a breakthrough in evolution. By this experiment, they concluded that organic compounds are made from inorganic precursors. So correct option is option number B, that is H2O and CH4. Question is, which of the following is not an antibiotic? A. Piperazine, B. Streptomycin, C. Penicillin, D. Chloramphenicol. Correct option for this question is piperazine, because piperazine is not an antibiotic. It is an organic compound with chemical formula C4H10N2. It is basically used to treat anti-helminthic agent and diseases like ascariasis and enterobiasis, whereas streptomycin is used to treat bacterial infections and it is derived from Streptomyces griseus. Penicillin is derived from Penicillium, which is used to treat pneumonia. Chloramphenicol is an antibiotic that is used to treat diseases like cholera, plague, and typhoid fever. So correct option for this question is option number A, that is piperazine. Our question is, character of Klinefelter syndrome is dash A XO, B XX, C XY, and D XXY. So from the table, we can see that XXY karyotype is for Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome is a syndrome in which there is presence of additional copy of X chromosome, due to which male exhibit female-like characters. This Klinefelter syndrome is also known as trisomy. So our correct option is option number D, that is XXY. The question is, the total net gain of ATP from breakdown of one molecule of glucose through aerobic respiration is dash A30, B36, C38 and D40. So friends, as we know, in a eukaryotic cell, the process of cellular respiration can metabolize one molecule of glucose into 38 ATP, and the process of glycolysis only produces 2 ATP, as can be seen in our flow chart, while other rest ATP are produced during electron transport chain. In our calculation, we have used 1 NADH is equal to 3 ATP instead of 2.5 and 1 FADH is equal to 2 ATP instead of 1.5. So by calculations, our correct option is option number C, that is 38 ATP. So next question is, a good example of auxin herbicide is A. IAA, B. NAA, C. 2,4-D and D. ABA. IAA stands for indole 3-acetic acid, NAA stands for naphthalene acetic acid, 2,4-D stands for 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid, and ABA stands for abscisic acid. Correct option for this question is 2,4-D, that is C. 2,4-D is used as a herbicide to control broadleaf weeds, chickweeds, by causing uncontrolled growth in them, but most of the grasses such as cereals, lawn, turf, grasslands are relatively unaffected. It is sold by a company named Aventis under common name Aquaclean, and it is also used during Vietnam War. So correct option for this question is option number C. Next is calcium in sarcoplasm is bound to A. Renin, B. Troponin, C. Biotin, and D. Myosin. Calcium in sarcoplasm is bound to troponin. When ATP level is high, it displaces tropomyosin, exposing myosin binding sites present on actin. This allows myosin to attach to binding sites on actin and form cross bridge. This cross bridge formation allows the muscle to slide and contract. So correct option is option number B, that is troponin. Next is the cells which help in folding or rolling of leaves in grasses are called dash. A. Trichoplast, B. Guard cells, C. Bulliform cells, D. Mucilaginous cells. So, trichoplasts are the cells which basically helps in formation of root hairs. Guard cells are the cells which help in opening and closing of stomata. Mucilaginous cells are the cells which present on the outer covering of a leaf that help in its protection. Bulliform cells are the bubble-shaped cells present in upper epidermis of monocot leaves that curls due to water stress conditions. Curling of leaf prevent water loss due to evaporation. So our correct option is option number C, that is bulliform cells. Next question is, cell or tissue death within a living body is called as dash. A. Neutrophilia, B. Nephrosis, C. Necrosis, D. Neoplasis. So as we know, every cell or tissue which is formed is destined to die. Cell death is programmed in our body. If a cell or tissue is died when it is programmed, then it is apoptosis. But cell or tissue death by an injury is called as necrosis. While nephrosis is death of kidney tubule, neutrophilia is a condition when number of neutrophil level increases in our body above the normal level. Neoplasis is uncontrolled growth of cells that leads to tumor. So by the above definitions, we come to know that correct option is option number C. Question is, in CAM plants, organic acid content dash. A. Decreases during night, B. Increases during day, C. Increases during night, D. Both A and B. So CAM plants are the plants that have inverted stomatal cycle and found in xerophytic condition. They open their stomata during night and capture the CO2 from the atmosphere. They store this CO2 in the form of malate, that is an organic acid, at night and use this during day. So organic acid content is high at night. Correct option is option number C, that is increases during night. Question is, vitamin D is synthesized in skin by the action of sunlight on dash. A. Cholesterol. B. 7-hydroxycholesterol is given, but actually it is 7-dehydrocholesterol. Option C. Phenylcholesterol. Option D. All of these. So 7-dehydrocholesterol is the chemical precursor of vitamin D. In the skin, upon absorption of UV light, one of its chemical bond is broken and it is changed into pre-vitamin D3. This pre-vitamin D3 is then subsequently changed into vitamin D3. So correct option is option number B, that is 7-dehydrocholesterol. Next, the supersonic jets cause pollution by thinning of dash A. CO2 layer, B. SO2 layer, C. O2 layer, D. O3 layer. So, all commercial flights are confined to troposphere, but high level of supersonic jets travel through the stratosphere and release harmful gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, etc. in the atmosphere that ultimately lead to thinning of ozone layer, that is O3 layer. So correct option is option number D, that is ozone layer, O3 layer. Question is, genetic drift operates only in dash A. Island population, B. Smaller population, C. Larger population, D. Mendelian population. So genetic drift is basically the mechanism of evolution in which there is change in allelic frequency in a population that occur from generation to generation due to chance events. Genetic drift operates only in smaller population. So correct option is option number B. Next is, fermentation is carried out by dash A. All bacteria, B. All fungi, C. Some bacteria and some fungi, D. All microorganisms. So fermentation is the process of incomplete oxidation of food substances into ethanol and lactic acid with small amount of energy being released. It is carried out by some bacteria which are anaerobic, for example Lactobacillus, Salmonella, Streptococcus, etc. Similarly, not all fungi carried out fermentation. So correct option is option number C, that is some bacteria and some fungi. Next is, two bacteria found to be useful in genetic engineering experiments are A. Nitrosomonas and Klebsiella, B. Escherichia and Agrobacterium, C. Nitrobacter and Azobacter, D. Rhizobium and Diplococcus. So one by one we will see the use of each bacteria. Escherichia is used in genetic engineering experiments due to its high transformation efficiency, ability to grow fastly in cheap media, and can be manipulated easily. Whereas Agrobacterium is used because of its tDNA region, which have many properties and easily be transferred in any host. It is also called natural genetic engineer, whereas other bacteria given, that are Nitrosomonas, Klebsiella, Nitrobacter, Azobacter, are used in nitrogen fixation, not in genetic engineering experiment. So correct option is option number B, that is Escherichia and Agrobacterium. So our next question is, Hinny is an offspring of dash A. Male donkey and mare, B. Lion and tiger, C. Tiger and lioness, D. Stallion and female donkey. For this question, we refer to the table that is given. From this table, we can conclude that the offspring hinny is produced by male horse and female donkey. Basically, male horse is also called as stallion and female donkey is also called as jennet or jinny. The offspring produced hinny is always sterile. So correct option is option number D, that is stallion and female donkey. Now question is, Iris is the modified part of dash. A. Sclerotic and choroid. B. Retina. C. Choroid. D. Choroid and retina. So iris is a part of our eye which is pigmented and opaque structure. It is present in choroid and it gives color to the eye and also control the amount of light which is entering the eye by changing the shape of pupil. Outer edge of iris is covered by sclera, so iris is the modified part of sclerotic and choroid, that is option number A. Next is arrest of meiosis at diplotin will lead to dash A. Endomitosis, B. Lamp brush chromosome, C. Polytene chromosomes, and D. Aneuploidy. Meiosis is reductional division that consists of meiosis I and meiosis II. Diplotin is a part of meiosis I. Events that occur in diplotin are longitudinal doubleness is distinct. Homologues start repelling each other. There is formation of cross-shaped structure that is called chiasma formation. Chromosomes at this stage are called lamp brush chromosomes. That is, they have stiff-ended loop extended out from linear axis of chromosomes. So if there is arrest at this stage, it leads to lamp brush chromosomes. Polytene chromosomes are observed in interphase, and whereas aneuploidy is the condition of presence of abnormal number of chromosome. So correct option is option number B, lamp brush chromosome. ELISA test is used to A. Separate viral DNA, B. Purify proteins, C. Isolate DNA sequences, D. Identify specific proteins. ELISA is a quantitative and qualitative technique that is used to detect specific protein-based antigens. For example, it is used in pregnancy kits which detect the HCG hormones that is exclusively present in urine of a pregnant woman. The diagram showing here is the diagram of sandwich ELISA, in which there is antigen on which the antibody is bound and substrate and product are shown. Correct option is option number D, that is to identify specific proteins. Thanks. Hope you all are liking our videos. Kindly subscribe the channel, do comment, like it, and don't forget to press the bell icon for all the notifications.